Is it time to buy or sell iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since September 25, 2024, our system has ranked the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.26. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of negative 2.9%. This results in an average loss of negative 0.29% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the lower range of a modest upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend support at $94.93 be breached, it would initially signal a deceleration in the upward movement, but could also serve as an early indication of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the 3-month trend, it suggests a possible change of 6.35% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between 6.28% and 15.16%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of 6.88% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 2.24% and 19.7%. This implies a price range of $97.12 to $113.10 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond includes the headline: iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF price ended at $94.99 on Tuesday, after gaining 0.169%. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF price experienced a gain of 0.169% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, rising from $94.83 to $94.99. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.737%, with a day low at $94.34 and a day high of $95.03. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, showing a decline of 3.71% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 11 million shares, with a total of 31 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.99 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $101.64, while the lowest price was $82.42. Currently, the price is 6.54%, or $6.65, below the 52-week high, and 47.14%, or $84.71, below the all-time high reached on the 9th of March, 2020, when the price peaked at $179.70. As of October 4, 2024, the yield on the 10-year Treasury note reached 3.98%, while the 2-year note stood at 3.93%, and the 30-year at 4.26%. This increase in yields follows a period of volatility in the bond market, particularly after a surprising 50 basis point cut by the Federal Reserve. Contrary to expectations, TLT has experienced a decline of approximately 3.5% since the highs of September, indicating market unease regarding rising yields, despite the Federal Reserve's lower rates. Long-term bond yields have been climbing, driven by escalating inflation expectations, which could have significant implications for TLT. Investors are becoming increasingly aware of the possibility that a prolonged period of inflation could suppress bond prices, particularly if yields continue to rise. Additionally, as TLT remains one of the most heavily traded exchange-traded funds, increased trading activity suggests that investors are actively repositioning their strategies amid these developments. In the short term, heightened volatility and rising yields may exert downward pressure on TLT prices, while in the longer term, a sustained inflationary environment could shift investor preferences away from bonds, further influencing TLT's valuation. The interplay between yields and economic sentiment will be essential to monitor in the coming months. The following signals have been identified for iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, October 7, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 0.169%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these signals, where the long-term average surpasses the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $96.62 and $98.49. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 76 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond. iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond finds support from accumulated volume at $94.81. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. In general, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. During the last day, the fund fluctuated by $0.69 between its high and low, or 0.73%. Over the past week, the fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 0.669%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond is at 97 75/100ths. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond encounters its first support level at 94 81/100ths. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is the iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond ETF a good buy? The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF exhibits several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond will perform weakly over the next several days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of October, we expect the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond to open down 205/10,000ths of a dollar, starting trading at $94.79. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Please do not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.